From the Pasadena Media Center, this is News Brief for Friday, March 31st, 2022. Pasadena has reported 28,101 COVID-19 cases and 412 COVID-related deaths as of Wednesday, March 30th. On Monday, Huntington Hospital reported that it had no COVID patients in its intensive care unit. Federal regulators have authorized another COVID-19 booster for people aged 50 and older to offer extra protection for the most vulnerable in case the coronavirus rebounds. LA County health officials gave the green light to give the second vaccine boosters to eligible residents as of Wednesday, March 30th. The FDA's decision allows a fourth dose of Pfizer or Moderna vaccines to eligible recipients at least 4 months after their previous booster shot. The CDC also updated its vaccine recommendations on Tuesday to reflect the FDA's decision. Previously, the FDA had cleared the fourth dose only for people 12 and older with severely weakened immune systems. The Metropolitan Water District of Southern California and other water suppliers were urged by Governor Gavin Newsom to ramp up water conservation efforts by moving to Level 2 of water shortage contingency plans. Newsom's executive order comes in response to California's driest first 3 months of any year in its recorded history. Water suppliers are required to have customized water shortage contingency plans, and Level 2 is aimed at preparing for a water shortage of up to 20%. The order also includes provisions to ensure that vulnerable communities have drinking water, new proposed wells do not compromise existing wells, at-risk fish and wildlife are protected, and that illegal water diversions are prevented by expanding site inspections. The MWD had originally proposed a 3 to 5% increase in water fees for the upcoming decade when the 2020-21 and 2021-22 budgets were adopted. But now, projections for the amount of the proposed rate hike have nearly doubled. Pasadena's interim city manager, Cynthia Kurtz, sent an opposition letter to the Metropolitan Water District over proposed rate increases of 8%. The increases are part of the MWD's proposed budgets for fiscal years 2022-2023 and 2023-2024. Kurtz called on the MWD to limit its rate increases to 5% for each of the next 2 years. Pasadena approved 2 rate increases for local customers, one in April and the other in January. Cities such as Pasadena are still struggling to cope with reduced sales due to the drought, conservation, and the lingering effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Pasadena believes that the MWD can take steps to reduce costs and keep its rate increases to no more than 5%. Kurtz, who currently sits on the MWD board, said the company could accomplish cost containment by eliminating new positions and reducing demand management spending. The city is not planning to revisit its rates for the next 2 fiscal years. For Pasadena Media, I'm Joe Carbonetta.